Hi everyone, my name is Jadeja and welcome back to Join Jadeja. Hope you guys are doing well today. We are back with Btob with Thriller, and I think the other one is Beat Beat. It's gonna play right after this. I got it on my playlist, so I'm excited. This one looks a little darker. I hope it's nothing sad or it's gonna be like insane and wow, where it's just like one was like really like, oh wow, this is like more serious, and wow is more playful. I don't know guys, but I added it to my playlist because I didn't know where to go after wow. So yeah, so let's go for it guys. All right, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want, and let's go. What's this, Halloween base? Ooh. My man in eyeliner. Is that subtitles? No. Look at him. And he's still adorable. Like, that's crazy. Not tattoos. What if that was real, y'all? What if he had tattoos like that? Wow. They got the moses out in this one, y'all. Wow. The eyeliner. Wow. I love his voice. There he go. He brought something spicy to the group. Like, I don't know the details of him leaving, but he added to the group for sure. Which is good, you know, to have a group where all members contribute. It's a good thing. Is it a fake sleeve or is it like just fake tattoos? I feel like if it was a fake sleeve, it would look more fake. I like this hair on him. I love this style on him, actually. I do. He doesn't get a pass just because he's an idol. Like, you know them F-boys. He doesn't get a pass because he's an idol. Like, I'm not saying he is, I'm just saying his look that's what it's giving. Every group has him. Every group has him, at least one. But I feel like he was definitely a ladies' man. And I'm pretty sure they had the rule like more enforced back then of the the whole no dating thing. Homie was dating. I mean, how could you not? Like, if you look that good. Okay, this is the next one. Beat Beat. Cute. Oh, he is so spunky. I'm not really sure what word to use, but is my baby the lead singer vocal? Let's go. It's like a it's giving me 2005 vibes. Like, I don't know. Nobody asked you. Can't stay here. Oh, he coming back at me. Okay. I would say you were then done with me. I got you. Ooh. You nailed that. He's so cute. He's so tiny. Look at my baby. Look how cute. I love him with his hair because he just looks more adorable. Oh, they have the ladies. So I like that though. I like that they're. I feel like I feel like the guys have more women in their videos and vice versa. I don't think I've seen a girl group with a man. I don't remember. They're like nice in suits. Did you hear that? Ooh. Okay, it's a lot of just get away from my man. I don't care what you do. Just make sure you're not on my man, okay? There he go. He always gotta, you know, he's gonna be extra with it. I like it. Did he go solo? I hope so, because I love his eyes. Like, they're very intriguing. He added to the group. Like, goodness gracious. That was insane. Sanjay. He's such a crackhead. Hey. Yeah, yeah. They are so entertaining. Oh my goodness, they're so entertaining. My goodness. Yeah, guys, that was Thriller and Beep Beep. I enjoyed both of them. I definitely enjoyed Beep Beep better. I feel like it's the same thing where it was like insane and wow for me. It was Thriller and Beep Beep for me. Like it was like Thriller wasn't like as depressing as Insane, but I honestly don't know the lyrics of it. So they need to do better. YouTube, do better, because regardless, I really enjoyed the video. Beep Beep is just that video. Beep Beep. But them girls, were they around Sanjay? I couldn't tell. You just let me know if they were around my man. Okay? No. Besides that, I really enjoyed the videos. I don't want to make it too long. I don't know if you guys will watch longer videos, so that's why I don't like to make them too long. But if you want, I could do like a mini marathon like I did with Twice. I haven't even uploaded that yet, but I just basically did like a bunch of videos, like not a bunch, but a few in one video. So I might be able to do like videos and live performances. If you guys want, just let me know down below. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know who your bias is. I feel like you know mine, or maybe you don't. Maybe you don't. He's my bias, okay? Okay. I'm happy that they're back as well. I've seen a few content with all of them back together, so I really enjoy that. I know they're probably back. They're happy to be back as well. I know they did it live when they first came back, and it was kind of like awkward. They're like, it was so awkward. They like didn't know what to do, what to say. It was like so much silence, and then like 2 other members came, and so yeah, hopefully, I know, like I said, I know their comeback is coming soon, and I think someone said that they have a show, so I'm excited to see that as well. This is just a really fun, feel-good group, like, and they're older, and it's just, I don't know, they just have a really chill vibe to them, so I really enjoy just watching their content, guys. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day.